And welcome back to my channel, Mompreneur Profits. This is Jasmine Tutton. I am residing from Mississippi. Excuse me there. I wanted to bring you a Freedom Wealth overview. You may have seen this information, you may have not. I like to continue to bring new information, something you probably have seen, something you probably didn't get much of, or what have you. So definitely stay tuned until the end. Most definitely share this information with someone as well too. And also make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay, up to date with my latest video as well. And also check that description below. Now, if you are someone or you know someone that is looking for a way to start rebuilding their credit, then guess what? Go to www.jasminetutton.com. That's JasmineTutton.com. So let's get started here. Now, what are the 3 barriers to financial freedom? Most of us already know this. A low credit score. Now, Time magazine reported that a bad credit score can cost you over $200,000 in mortgage, auto, and credit card interest over your lifetime period. Also, no cash flow, right? Nearly 60% of Americans, now there could be a little bit more now, don't have enough savings to cover either a $500 unplanned expense, or even $1,000 plus unplanned expense as well. Now, most of us grew up being taught financial literacy. Most of us did not grow up being taught financial literacy. So, the lack of financial literacy has cost Americans a total of more than $436 billion in 2022. Now, guess what? This is 2026. We just getting started. So, that number could be a little bit more. You just never know, right? So, let's move on. Now, since March of 2022, this number could also have increased as well too. 50% of Americans who have applied for a loan or financial product have been denied. We are denied, we are overwhelmed, we are stressed, we are all these types of things since March of 2022. And was that around the pandemic? I think it was around then, or maybe a little bit sooner, but definitely that part. Now, with our Freedom Wealth tool, this is a financial solution. We are giving you a solution to something that everyday Americans absolutely need. Also, with Score Path, it shows you where your credit stands, how to improve it, and unlock the path to better financial opportunities. You also get Wealth Path. Wealth Path gives you the tools to build and protect your financial future, from estate planning and personal loans to smart financial calculators. Life Path basically helps you live smarter every day, shielding your identity, unlocking local savings, and basically simplifying your travel planning. Now, Biz Path basically gives you the tools to start, grow, and scale with business credit, funding options, and resources designed to feel lasting success, not lasting life. So basically, within Freedom Wealth, you get a comprehensive tool. Score Path, Wealth Path, Life Path, and also Biz Path. So, also within that, about Freedom Path. Freedom Path has a track record of success and support. A+ with the Better Business Bureau. It was founded in 2021. It is 100% debt-free and privately owned. It's definitely on a mission to help 1 million people within 5 years. Now, when I talked about Score Path gives you 3B monitoring, basically to stay on top of your credit with daily alerts when anything starts to change, as you can see here on the screen. Score Boost, basically easily file disputes for credit report errors using our AI-powered DIY system. We also have a credit attorney. Consumer Law Review connects you with qualified experts who can review your case and provide valuable insight. You also get a build credit account. It's almost like a self-credit builder, but with this credit building account that helps individuals establish or improve credit history through a structured installment loan, meaning that you're going to be paying on the installment loan, and at the end of the term of the loan, that's when you get all the money and it's yours to do whatever you want with it, but hopefully you do the right thing. Now, more info when it comes to Score Path. You get the 3B reports, dispute hub, results tracker, and also a score tracker as well too. As you can see, all of this information here, this is what you get access to. This is your own personal client portal. Now let me tell you something. I was on a live one time and I have seen where people have said they have spent over $500, over $1,000, over $2,000 just for credit restoration. But guess what they didn't get? They did not get no client portal. They did not get any updates. So this right here is something that you can use and you're going to be in control of. You're going to see the information. I'm going to see the information. But guess what? You are still in control and you get to see your updates whenever you log in. Now, with the Build Credit account, as you can see here, you're able to select your account. You're also able to select your monthly payment as well too. And guess what? It reports to all 3 credit bureaus. You're able to see your 3B monitoring, basically looking at all 3 of the credit bureaus. Right here, you get your full report, alerts, and score factor. As you can see here, Consumer Law Review, expert insights at no cost. This is no cost to you when you become a member of Freedom Path. And you can use it at any time. Now, Wealth Path, basically estate planning. You want to make sure that your family is secured. You also get a will, a trust, power of attorney, healthcare directive, and also a pet trust as well too. You also get personal loans. So once your score starts to increase, you can see about personal loans as well too. You get financial planning, debt tracker. So let me stop right here real quick. And I want you guys to listen up to me. Most of this information is probably going over your head. Most of this information, hopefully you're taking it all in. Hopefully you're able to understand it as well too. And this information that we have right now is something that we did not have when we was coming up. Most of us didn't. Like I said, most of us didn't know half of these things right here. Most of us didn't understand that you need to have life insurance. You know, most of us don't understand that you definitely need a will and trust if something happens, because you need to see exactly where your assets, where your things is going to go when something happens. Think about this for a moment, please. Please think about this. Get you some life insurance, please. Get you a will and trust put together. We have it right here in the membership where you can do it. Because if you have kids, God forbid, Lord have mercy, you have kids, you need to know exactly who your kids are going to if something tends to happen to you. Because you want to make sure that your kids go to the right person that's going to make sure that your kids stay safe. Please sink that in. Okay, let's continue. Like I said, you get personal loans, financial planning, you get 80 planning calculators, you get the debt tracker to see exactly where you at. Now, you get Life Path, you get identity theft monitoring. This is something that we all need. We need protection. You get local savings, you get travel planning. This right here is exactly what you will see within the membership about identity protection. You will also see about local savings, travel planning. This is exactly what you will see within the membership. Now, Biz Path. If you don't have an LLC, you want to actually form an LLC, and you want to make sure that your business is actually properly structured as well, you can set up an LLC. Now, if you do have an LLC and you want to see if your business is pre-qualified for funding and you have access to the membership, you can actually get a free success scan with the Biz Credit Academy. If you know that you're bringing in 10K plus monthly revenue, you have a 680 plus FICO score, you can see about business funding. Like I said, this is exactly what you'll see. This is exactly what you will see, This right here in regards to the free success scan, if you get a membership. Now, if you do not get the membership and you want to see if your LLC is pre-qualified for funding and is structured properly, I can still send you over a free success scan, but it will have to be sent directly to your email. So definitely let me know in the comment section if you want that free success scan. Now, this is also some scores as well too that some of our brokers have basically helped their clients with. The system is absolutely amazing. It absolutely works as well too. Credit is a process. It is not an overnight fix. Yes, you can mess your credit up quick, but it will not be fixed quick. Everything takes time and results do vary. Everybody's credit profile is absolutely different. Now let's get to this. All of that information of what I showed you, everything that you absolutely get, guess what? Less than $200 and you get access to Score Path, Wealth Path, Life Path, Biz Path. All of that information I showed you, you get access to that for only $189 activation. It's an activation. Think about when you go get car insurance. You have to pay up front so it can be activated if anything happens. Just like life insurance. Most of the time you got to pay up front just to be activated. This is an activation to better your situation. Do not let the 189 psych you. Do not let the devil come in and steal your joy. Do not let the enemy that's sitting on your shoulder right now, do not let the devil that's sitting on your shoulder right now psych you out of, nah, you don't need to pay for that. Nah, you ain't ready. But guess what? You are ready. Look at your bank account. You got 189 activation, $99 a month. There is no contract, no obligation, cancel at any time. But think about the services that's included with it. With most people that's preparing credit, you have to also pay for a credit monitoring system, probably about $20, $30, $40. It all depends, separately from you paying for the credit restoration itself. But this is all included. You don't have to go outside and pay for anything else additional. $189 can put you in a better position than constantly going into a loan place or looking for a loan and it's saying we cannot approve you. Unfortunately, we can't approve you at this time. Stand by for results in the mail or results in your email. The results probably going to tell you got a high credit profile. You probably got too many inquiries, too many outstanding balances, too many loans, too many this, too much debt. If you got more debt than you do income, I have a solution for that. Let's fix the income problem as well too. That's something that can be done. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this information with someone. This is Freedom Wealth. Control your financial future. You are in control of what you do with your life. You are setting the example for your kids. You are setting the example for someone that you saying, okay, I want to get my mom a car. I want to get my mom a house. I want to get my mom out of this neighborhood. I'm tired of my mom, this and that. I want my kids to go to a better school. I'm tired of this neighborhood. I'm tired of this car always cutting off on me. Think about it for a moment. We all want something. We all want to live a certain lifestyle. We all want to be comfortable. Most of us don't have to have a big old house. We just want to have something that's nice and that we can call our own. We all want to make money as well too, so we can keep a roof over our heads. We have all been in situations to where it has put us at a standstill almost. It's 2026. We have to stop playing. As them old folks say, stop lollygagging around. We have more access to tools and opportunities now than 20, 30 some, 40 some years ago. This is a new era of learning how to do something. Our grandparents didn't have this information that we have now. Hopefully somebody's listening. Hopefully you can see exactly where I'm coming from. I know it's people out there that want to do better for themselves. But it's always that devil that's sitting on their shoulder, telling them it's not going to work. How you already telling yourself it's not going to work when you haven't even tried it for yourself to see? You psyching yourself out of something as big as getting that brand new house, getting that trailer, buying that land. You psyching yourself out. You will trick yourself out your own spot. Sometimes you got to cut people off that mean you no good. Sometimes you got to stop going out every single night, every single weekend. You got to stop spending money that you know that you really don't have to spend, but you do it anyway. It's okay to go out every once in a while. But you know for a fact you tired of the lights being cut off. You tired of the check engine light coming on. If you want better, take control of your future. You deserve it. You know that you deserve it. This is only $189 to start. $99 a month. The link is in the description below to enroll. I can walk you through the process. I can tell you exactly what to dispute and what not. Everything does not have to be disputed. If you have an open account and it says that it needs to be removed, no. If it's open and it says it was a late payment, challenge the late payment only. Don't remove an open account that you have a late payment on. 9 times out of 10, you're paying on it. If you have a credit inquiry that's less than 2 years old, 9 times out of 10, it's tied to an open account that you're paying on. Don't dispute it. Dispute the collection/charge-offs. There are some things that are in good standing on your credit report, but the system pulls everything that's negative. But you have the choice of choosing an option. Sometimes it gives you ones that's recommended, but you have to look over the information, and I can help you with that. So I hope you guys sign up. I hope this information was absolutely valuable as well too, and I will see you on the other side.